what I call enough information to be dangerous in the market.
We are at the Logicom TechTalk podcast at GITEX 2025, and I'm joined here by Stathis Panayides, the director of Cisco Business Unit. How are you, Stathis?
Good.
Yes?
Thank you for having me.
We're very happy to have you here with us today. So AI is a major theme this year at GITEX. Can you tell me a little bit about how you are embedding intelligence across network, security, and collaboration?
Absolutely. So Cisco is working into two different directions when it comes to AI. So the first one is AI for the network. So they developed specialized infrastructure to handle this additional computational workload that is required to run AI instances.
Okay.
And they also develop AI for the networks, meaning that they have developed specialized AI tools within their equipment,
Right.
so they can facilitate the deployment, the orchestration, and of course, the ongoing maintenance of their own equipment. And this comes
Okay.
across all flavors of Cisco equipment. It starts from the data center, in the collaboration equipment, in security, of course, and in enterprise networking, which is the core of whatever Cisco is doing.
Okay, so you are continuously and regularly updating and adapting your solutions.
Of course, and I think what is key here is that our team is continuously trained and enabled so we can then train our own partners so they have what I call enough information to be dangerous in the market.
To be dangerous.
With the information and the skills
Yes.
that they need to acquire so they remain relative with whatever is happening in this very fast changing pace.
Very, very rapidly changing landscape. How do you see the conversation change at GITEX from last year's GITEX to this year's GITEX? Is there more focus and more talk on AI, or how is it different?
I think you are right. I mean, if you just go up for a walk, I think there is AI written literally in every booth that you can see.
Okay.
But let me start from a very recent research that Cisco published last month. It's called the AI Readiness Index. And conclusions or insights were drawn from interviews among 8,000 leaders that specialized in supporting AI deployments from 500 different global companies from 30 different countries.
Okay.
So the key message coming out from this study is that 83% of the companies are willing to adopt agentic AI in the next few years. What is quite interesting is that only 13% of them is ready to move into agentic AI, which
Okay.
in reality that poses a great opportunity for our partners to go and support these customers that are willing to adopt
Okay.
AI.
So they want it, but they're not ready to receive it.
Correct. And the greatest opportunity here is what we can do to consult, help partners develop the right infrastructure, the right processes, the right governance models, and of course, the end-to-end security that is going to give them the foundation upon which they can run their AI instances.
So where do you see are some of the biggest growth opportunities for your partners?
AI at the top of the list, although this is something new, I believe everyone needs to be aware and ready to move forward, acquiring skills and certifications. It's very crucial
Highly important,
at this point in time.
Right.
Then, of course, Cisco has a massive install base. So an install base that is not necessarily refreshed. So refreshing this existing install base that amounts to something more than a couple of billions it's a massive opportunity because we all jointly need to go after the customers that have this legacy equipment
Right.
to help them replace them with infrastructure that is AI ready, that provides end-to-end security so it can accommodate the loads for this new era of applications that run. And
Right.
of course, security. Security is across, is everywhere. The opportunity is massive. Cisco is growing double digit in security. And when people invest in security, they also invest in recurring software that can also provide a recurring and predictable revenue stream for partners that can help them grow their business.
Of course. And, the figures you've just shared are quite astounding. And the fact that so many want to implement and are ready to implement, however, are not ready to implement, says a lot about this lack of education at the foundation. This is what it is. How could Logicom help Cisco diffuse this information and solidify the knowledge base?
Yes. So we've initiated a couple of initiatives. First of all, and I take you back to your second question, when it comes to the Cisco solutions, our people are constantly pitching the value of AI and how the AI features that are in the different tools can help our partners and of course the end customers to run smoothly their operations. So that's the first part. And the second part is comes with some initiatives that we recently started to work on, so we can educate our partners on how they could provide themselves AI-ready infrastructure for customers and end customers that want to run AI applications on top.
Okay. So what feedback would you have? What message would you relay right now if you had one message to relay to your partners?
I think we live in great times, massive opportunity ahead of us, especially on AI and security. And it's literally on us collectively to capture as much as we can.
Fantastic. Well, I thank you very much on behalf of Logicom for being with us today. And you're a fantastic, invaluable partner to the entire journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Stathis.